Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you guys the top 5 best free video editing software that are completely free. But first, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. And please leave us feedback to improve our next video in future. Now let's get started. Shotcut. Shotcut is a free, open-source, cross-platform video editor which is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. It's a very good beginner video editing software. Major features include support for a wide range of formats. No import required, meaning native timeline editing. Blackmagic Design support for input and preview monitoring. And resolution support to 4K. And that's it, at most. This is a pretty basic video editing software. But, when it comes to free, this is the best you can get. OpenShot. OpenShot is a free, simple and open-source video editor available for Windows, Mac and Linux. The user interface is friendly and highly intuitive. OpenShot can read and write a large number of audio and video formats. Over 400 transitions are included in OpenShot, which lets you gradually fade from one clip to another. Moreover, over 40 vector title templates are also included. You can also create your own SVG vector titles. You can control the power of time with OpenShot. Speed up and slow down clips, reverse the direction of a video. Overall, OpenShot has all the features that comes in mind for basic video editing. If you are new in video editing, and want a free and simple editing software to start, then OpenShot is the best option for you. iMovie. iMovie is a free video editing software, which is only available for Mac OS and iOS. The interface is super intuitive like other Apple products. With iMovie you can enjoy your videos like never before. It's easy to browse your clips and create Hollywood-style trailers and stunning 4K resolution movies. You can even start editing on iPhone or iPad, then finish on your Mac. Built-in music, sound effects, and voiceover recording make it easy to create a movie that sounds as good as it looks. iMovie gives you lots of ways to share with your most loyal fans. You can export your finished project directly to several platforms including Facebook and YouTube. If you're on Mac and new to video editing, you should check out iMovie. HitFilm Express. HitFilm Express is powerful free editing and VFX software, which is compatible with Windows and Mac. It offers a very slick user interface. HitFilm Express has all the features that you guys can use for visual effects editing. It has over 180 visual effects. If you guys want to make awesome movie, HitFilm Express is very good editing software to start with. DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is available from Blackmagic Design, who also sell a paid version of the software called DaVinci Resolve Studio. So, if you want the free software, make sure you download the DaVinci Resolve, not DaVinci Resolve Studio. DaVinci Resolve is a highly professional video editing software, which is available for all platforms such as Windows, Mac OS and Linux. And, the first thing you will notice while running this software is you need a powerful system. At least 8 GB of RAM as well as a decent graphics card with at least 1 GB of video memory. The free version of DaVinci Resolve has all of the professional editing, legendary color correction and Fairlight audio tools you need for SD, HD and Ultra HD work at up to 60 frames per second. So, as you can see, you don't get these kind of powerful feature in any other free editing software. And in my opinion, if you are looking for a powerful video editing software, which has to be free, then DaVinci Resolve is the best option for you. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the top 5 best free video editing software. If this helped out, please like this video, and share it with your friends. And the last thing, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos.